Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we make your tech life simple and easy. Today, we're bringing you the updated solution. Turn off text-to-speech on Android, so you can finally stop your phone from reading everything out loud. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Settings app. You can find it right on your home screen or inside the app's drawer, usually shown with a small gear icon. This is where all your device controls are located, so it's the first place to begin. Step 2. In the Settings menu, go to the search bar at the top and type the word Vision. This helps you find the accessibility and display features quickly, without scrolling through every option. Step 3. From the search results that appear, find the Vision setting and tap on it to proceed. This section is where Android stores all the features related to sight and voice feedback. Step 4. Within the Vision menu, look for the Text-to-Speech Output option and tap to open it. This is the control center for voice reading functions, and here you can adjust or disable them. Step 5. Once you're inside, you'll see different options like Preferred Engine, Languages, and at the bottom, Play or Reset. To turn off text-to-speech, simply use your finger to adjust the speech rate and pitch sliders all the way down, or disable the engine entirely if your device allows. And just like that, boom, it's off. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.